South Indian recipes, and adding to that is today's lovely beans poriyal. Now this is actually not a regular beans poriyal. This is a very special one. This is beans Paruppu Usili. Let's get started and check out the recipe. The first step is to soak 2 dals. The first dal is half cup of Chana Dal and half cup of Toor Dal. Wash the dal, pour enough water and soak it for about 1 hour. The dal has soaked up beautifully. Now I'm going to grind it to a nice coarse mixture. Add about 7 red chillies, add a teaspoon of salt, add 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida powder. Grind everything to a nice coarse mixture. So the next step is to steam the dal mixture. Take a little bit of the dal mixture and put it on idli molds, or you can even place it on a plate. Keep the idli molds into a pressure cooker or a steamer. Now I'm going to steam this dal mixture for about 15 minutes on medium flame. So the dal mixture is cooked. Turn off the stove, remove it from the pressure cooker, and let this come to a room temperature. Take a wide pan, add 1.5 tablespoons of oil. To this add 1 teaspoon of Urad Dal, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. To this add curry leaves, add a pinch of Asafoetida powder. To this add 1 bowl of beans that have been finely cut. Season it with some salt. While the beans are cooking, I'm going to crumble the dal mixture. Once the beans are cooked, add the crumbled dal mixture. Now mix everything together. I've been cooking this for about 10 minutes after adding the dal mixture. Make sure to keep mixing it at intervals. You can see the crumble mixture is nice and dry and it's got a lovely golden brown color to it. You can check for seasoning at this point. So if you need to add salt, you can add salt and turn off the stove. So as you can see, it's a very delicious side dish that you can enjoy either with some sambar, rasam, or with some nice more korumbu. Now this is a very typical South Indian Tamil Nadu style beans poriyal, and you can also have it with some appalam by the side. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.